Initially, I came in because I've had ongoing problems with my neck. We've worked on that for a long time. I began with problems with migraines and things like that years ago, and through adjustments, we got to about a 90% improvement. But I still had many other issues that we just couldn't get 100% solved with my problems on my neck. When laser therapy became available, I jumped on that, and it was actually amazing. I don't think I've had any migraine medicine since my laser therapy sessions. And that last 10% of pain I was still feeling, I haven't had any issues with it since the laser therapy. When COVID hit, as a musician, I've been playing for years and years, and had never had any problems with any type of tendonitis or muscle pains. But when COVID came along, as a musician, we had to stop playing. Then, as that came to an end, all of a sudden you have to jump back into a lot of those repetitive motions that you experience as a musician. And with that time off and going right back into it, I experienced a lot of pain in my forearm that I'd never had in my life before. And no matter what I did, nothing would make it go away. After every show, I had a lot of pain in my arm, and that would go on, and it was not going away. So then I came back in, we tried laser therapy on my arm, and lo and behold, after the sessions were finished, the pain went away. And now as we continue playing a lot of shows, I'm not even having an issue with it anymore. So whatever the magic behind the lasers is, I've been very happy with it, and it's worked very well for me.